It got really cold last night, so the ground is frozen. Hear that? Breakfast break. You know what would be best with my coffee? Donuts. Oh yes, I got him. Donuts. Best breakfast. Glazed donuts. Highly recommend. You know, as I was walking around here, uphill, downhill, more uphill, I was like, something doesn't feel right. Something is off. Something is good. I didn't say, good morning from the PCT, it's day 85. Totally forgot. Well, I think it's because all that's on my mind is that electric bike in South Lake Tahoe. Plus, more importantly, even than the bike, they have a Taco Bell. So we all know where I'm going to be riding on that bike. It's going to be awesome. I have to get water, but it is so cold today, I don't want to stop. And look at that. It started snowing. This is the road that will take me to South Lake Tahoe. Yes, I did 60 miles today. 60. Just to get here. It's 4:15. Yeah, so I'm gonna hitchhike into South Lake Tahoe. Just kidding. That's of course not the road. That's Highway 4, Ebbets Pass. Pick up your America. Anyways, so I'm gonna keep going about 2 more miles. I'm gonna check 2 something, and then I did 20 today. Not bad at all. Half a mile to a campsite with a lake view. So hopefully it's not taken just like yesterday because I had to keep going. Okay, let's go. So this is the lake view, but you know, my tent is back there, so I have no view, which is okay because I'm tired.